We're excited to announce the Very Good Security, aka VGS, add-on for Netlify. VGS and Netlify have partnered to develop this add-on to enable Netlify customers to seamlessly collect, protect, and exchange sensitive data without the liability of holding sensitive data themselves. Now let's show you how the add-on works. The VGS add-on focuses on the collection stage of the data lifecycle. With this add-on, you can build forms that ensure no sensitive data ever actually touches your servers. Instead, the data is segmented, aliased, and secured in VGS vaults until needed. This removes much of your data liability while drastically reducing your risk exposure and compliance responsibility. Imagine you work at the corporate office of a ride-sharing platform. You need to onboard drivers onto the marketplace. In this scenario, the driver needs to input personal data for a background check and payment information to receive instant payouts via their payment card. As you can imagine, this process of an end user inputting sensitive data to receive the results of something akin to a background check or payment card authorization is a very common phenomenon. Using Netlify forms, the end user will input their personal information as usual. The status of the background check, we use Checker here, but this could be any provider, comes in as clear. But behind the scenes is where the magic happens. VGS redacts and aliases all of the driver's sensitive data. Here's a peek at the alias data that your system receives. Because the data is aliased, your systems are descoped from holding the sensitive data, yet you can still achieve your business objective, in this case, running a background check on a driver. Next, you need to charge a small transaction to the driver's payment card. Using Stripe or any payment processor or provider, you can charge a transaction. Again, you're able to charge the card without holding the underlying PAN, or primary account number, which in turn keeps you out of scope for PCI compliance. Collection of sensitive data enables businesses to achieve their objectives. But why collect and store the sensitive data if you don't have to? Try out the VGS add-on for Netlify to limit your data liability and scale your business in a secure manner.